Hello, I'm just pulling into my driveway right now. It's 10:36 at night, and my second born just finished volleyball practice. She plays club volleyball, and so we're home, and I'm getting ready to go inside and make lunches, which I am kind of oddly strange excited about it. I mean, I really just want to go in and get in bed, but the reason why I'm excited is because I know it's going to make my morning so much better. I'm going to go into the kitchen, it's going to be clean, and lunches will be done. And also, I just keep thinking how lovely it will be to get up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and my husband is opening the door looking at me, wondering who I'm talking to. It'd be so lovely to be able to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and go upstairs into my office and write. So anyway, here we go. It's going to be a big Buddha salad with all sorts of yummy things. Remember, it's vegetable week at my house that my family doesn't know about. And I'm contemplating adding those vegetarian chicken patties and slicing them and putting them in there with them, because I know I'm gonna at least have one complaint, at least one, but it's good. It's gonna be a delicious salad, whether the 11-year-old likes it or not. It's gonna be delicious, and she needs to learn to love stuff like this. All right, I haven't eaten dinner, so I'm about to warm myself up some fried rice. But look, for that one little girl who is very iffy and sometimey on her salads, when you pair a cinnamon roll with a salad, it takes that salad up like 10,000 notches. So I'm gonna let that cook while I eat my fried rice and get this salad ready. Okay, let's make our salad. Look, I gotta say, as much as I wish I was in bed right now, it's 11:30. It's 11:30 now. I've gotten everybody in the bed. Warwick is even asleep. It feels so good to make this at night, because I know when I wake up, I'm just gonna be invigorated by the fact that I can do what I really want to do. So instead of making lunches, which I always want to make lunches for my kids, and I love giving my family healthy, good things to eat, but it does take up time. And for me, the most precious time of the day is first thing in the morning, and I'm gonna reclaim that. So let me show you all the yummy things that are gonna go in our salad. So I just have iceberg lettuce here mixed with some cilantro, and then I think just to sweeten the deal with my 11-year-old, she's a tough cookie, I'm gonna add a half of a patty to each one of these salads, of a chickenless patty. So it's a vegan burger, chicken burger, some soybeans, which is really the intended protein, but I'm going to add a little bit of that, and then we're going to add some red cabbage. Don't hate, you know who you are. Just try it. Just try it. It's delicious. And some roasted tomatoes. We're going to do some sun-dried tomatoes, and some roasted sweet potato. And then on the side, we are going to have some veggie or kiwi and blackberries. And then there's my secret weapon is in the oven right now. So let's do this. All right, I'm just gonna use my hands because it's easier that way. So, and I never know if I've cut up enough lettuce. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going gonna add some shelled soybeans. So next, the cabbage. So this is a sweet and tangy red cabbage. And I'm just gonna put kind of like a dollop of each on each salad. Now, here are some sun-dried tomatoes, which I have never had these before. Do you see how nicely they are dried? And I just ate one and they're very delicious. So I'm just gonna add them to this salad, but I think I'm gonna cut them up first. So there we go. Okay, now I have the sweet potatoes. While I was getting everything together, I was roasting some sweet potatoes. So these are like a purple skin sweet potato, and these are just the traditional ones. The purple skinned ones, as you can see, the flesh inside is white, but they're all really sweet. So just add a handful. Now the final thing I'm going to do, just on 4 of the salads, the 4 for my kids, I'm going to add half of a chicken patty just to sweeten the pot. That 11-year-old scares me. Just finished up cleaning in the kitchen. I'm gonna start the dishwasher. If I can do it with one hand. Let me see if I can squeeze it with one hand. There you go. All right. All right, I'm gonna wrap things up so that I can go to bed. But first, let me show you my secret weapon. Little pastry. These are just refrigerator cinnamon rolls. And everybody will get one of those. Kind of like bread with your salad, but it's dessert. One more thing before I forget. So I'm gonna be having balsamic vinaigrette on my salad because I think that would go the best. The person who inspired this salad, I can't remember what his name is, but I saw him on YouTube, and he had like squash instead of sweet potatoes, and then he dressed it with tahini, with tahini, not tahini, that's what I was thinking of, tahini. And so that would be really good, but I don't have any. I don't think I have any. Let me see. Would be up here if I had it. Nope, I don't have any. So we're not gonna use that. We're just gonna use our favorite dressing. So ranch for my 2 youngest, and then my second born, I'm giving her balsamic, and that's what I'm gonna have. And then Warwick and Shelby can choose what they want since they are at home with me during the day. Everything today. Now it's time for me to put myself to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up down below if you liked it, and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.